In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up trailing stop loss on Webull. A trailing stop is a powerful way to protect gains without constantly watching the screen. Instead of using a fixed price, it follows the stock as it moves in your favor and only triggers if the price reverses by the amount you set. That means you can let winners run while defining your downside. Start by opening Webull Desktop and logging into your paper trading account. Paper trading is a great sandbox to practice risk management with zero real money risk. Make sure you see that you're in the paper environment before proceeding, so everything you do here stays simulated. Next, go to your Positions tab if you already hold the stock in your paper portfolio. If you don't see it there, or if you're planning ahead, use the search bar at the top to find the stock symbol and open its quote page. Either way works. The key is to pull up the ticker you want to protect. Click Sell to open the order ticket. For a long position, a sell order is what creates the protective trailing stop. This brings up the ticket where you'll set the order details. In the Order Type menu, select Trailing Stop. This tells Webull you want the stop price to update automatically as the stock moves. If the stock rises, your stop ratchets up. If the stock falls by your chosen trail amount, the stop triggers and converts to a market sell. Now decide how you want the trail to be calculated. You can trail by percentage or by dollar amount. Percentage keeps the distance proportional to the stock's price, which is helpful for volatile or higher-priced shares. Dollar amount sets a fixed cushion, which is straightforward if you have a clear price risk in mind. For example, a 2% trail on a $50 stock follows $1 below the high water mark. A $1 trail does the same thing in absolute terms. Enter your quantity so the order covers the number of shares you want protected and set your time in force. Day will keep the order active for the trading day, while GTC, or good till canceled, persists across days until it fills or you cancel it. Choose what matches your plan. When everything looks right, click Submit or Place Order. You'll see the trailing stop appear in your paper orders, and as the price moves, the stop will adjust automatically. Keep an eye on your orders or positions to monitor it, and you can always edit or cancel if your strategy changes.